at least we'll get a good job.
Right.
That's close, isn't it? Jambo, the president isn't here. But there's a very good impersonator.
Mr. President, I'd like to introduce you to Malcolm Wilson. He's the owner of M
Hi.
Sport.
How are you, my friend?
Wow.
Thank you
And,
very much.
I like your overalls. Rich Millen is the team principal.
So thank you for having us again.
Thank you very much. And I hope you've been working with Minister here and the rest of the organizing team. And welcome to Kenya many times.
You will watch the final stage?
I will.
Stage? Yes.
I will be here. I'll be here.
It will be an exciting rally, I think. It's probably the hardest in the calendar.
Tomorrow we will have difficulty with getting people into work. I mean, even those who will not have a reason, they will find an excuse.
I hope you enjoy your
Okay,
ride.
wonderful.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Absolute chaos. Some people following him.
I don't think anybody wants to follow you two.
Forgot about us.
Mr. President.
Hello, how are you? Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is Pierre-Louis Lube. He'll be driving you today.
Okay.
We'll do the run with me.
How fast will you go? I plan it.
Flat out.
The bolts and nuts are all tightened.
He said, I
Hope so. Hope so. It's not encouraging. Very good.
How you feel? First time in the WRC.
Great.
It's not bad.
Quite something.
Okay, ready? Ready. Okay. Finish. Did you enjoy? Wow! I mean, this thing is massive. It's great, huh? It's crazy. Oh my goodness.
Awesome! Did you have fun?
Oh my!
Did you have
This
fun?
thing is bad. This thing is crazy, but it's an experience you cannot forget. I mean, the sheer speed. You can hardly see the road. You can hardly see the bend. These guys are really professional. It is out of this world. If you ask me whether I want to do this again, I'm not sure.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, my
Thank you
friend.
for everything.
Thank you very much. Thank you.